bottom. That was wrong. That was wrong. Let me start from the bottom. I will move your hand. Welcome viewers, this is Labony Kitchen.
Yeah, welcome to Labony Kitchen.
And that's Mommy's new plant.
Yeah.
And inside there's a new plant inside. And inside there's some plastic inside. And there's lots of plants in. Some flowers standing on the board. One little sunflower, one in the dark. Oh dear. Oh. There we go. Baba.
Yes, Baba.
Are you done unboxing it?
In a minute.
Let me open it.
Why you wanna open it?
Because I want to surprise Mommy.
Because Mommy, you want to surprise Mommy?
Yeah. Baba, your phone said apple sign.
Yeah, because it's
slowly, not faster.
Abu. Oh, wait. Push that one down. Okay.
There's two. Careful, don't cut the plant.
Okay, hold on to it. Let me cut it.
Darn it! Mommy's new big plant. Wait, I will put it. How tall is it? So, Baba.
Yeah?
Is it bigger than the box? Is it bigger than the box, Baba?